Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you all the ways to enter the BIOS on a Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. Whether you're troubleshooting or adjusting settings, there's a method that will definitely work for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most common way, using the volume up and power buttons. You need to hold your volume up button and then click on power button. You need to hold it and make sure that your Surface is off. It's not powered by anything. Now, as you can see, we're already in the BIOS. It was quite easy and fast. We can exit now, and I'm gonna show you two other ways of doing it. Now, if your Surface is already on, then you can simply go to Start, then select Reset this PC. Now, restart now again. Now select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then select UEFI Firmware Settings. Now restart, and it will take you right into the BIOS. As you guys can see, it worked pretty well. And now I'm gonna show you a third way of doing that. Now, what you want to do is hold down your shift button, select start, then power switch, and then restart. Keep holding it until you see your Windows 11 logo that says please wait. Now, we are in Advanced Startup again, then we go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and UEFI Firmware Settings. Now restart. And that's it. Now you know every way to enter the BIOS on a Surface Laptop 5. Whether you prefer using buttons, Windows settings, or the Shift plus Restart trick, you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.